Every day, millions of people use money without understanding how it is actually created. Every day, millions of people use money without understanding how it is actually created.
This powerful rectangular piece of paper begins its life in the most unexpected rural places. The American dollar requires a highly exclusive formula of 75% pure cotton fibers. These specific crops grow under the warm and humid climates of the southern agricultural states.
Only a small fraction of the harvested cotton passes the incredibly strict federal quality controls.
Highly mechanized processing systems gather the raw material while meticulously preserving the delicate fiber integrity. The bales travel through processing chambers, where high-pressure air systems remove every single impurity. The second essential ingredient is strong linen, cultivated across the traditional agricultural fields of Europe. Instead of cutting the linen, farmers pull it entirely by the roots to preserve length. These raw fibers arrive at a highly secured facility to become the ultimate financial canvas.
Giant industrial tanks mix the crushed materials with high-pressure steam and boiling hot water.
Microscopic security threads and invisible fluorescent fibers are injected directly into the dense boiling mixture. The heavy pulp flows onto massive industrial conveyor belts that drain the excess water away. Heavy industrial rollers press the drying material into incredibly resilient sheets of official security paper. This unique substrate contains embedded watermarks and a texture instantly recognizable to the human touch. Automated optical sensors inspect every passing sheet for the slightest deviation in required paper thickness. Any defective sheet is immediately shredded and destroyed, never reaching the open public market supply. This exclusive material is produced by a single heavily guarded facility under strict government contract. The approved rolls are securely transported to the Bureau of Engraving and Printing production facilities.
Designing a banknote is not merely artistic. It is a matter of strict national security.
Engravers spend up to 3 weeks perfecting a single section of a historical presidential portrait. This incredibly painstaking manual labor results in the creation of the singular, perfect master plate.
Multiple exact copies are generated using an advanced chemical system, known as precise electrogalvanic replication.
These new identical printing plates are forged from hardened steel to endure massive industrial pressure. The complex printing process initiates with offset techniques, applying the subtle background color gradient patterns. Every background line and geometric shadow is precisely formulated to aggressively confuse modern digital scanners. The true magic happens during the intaglio printing phase, where the currency literally comes alive. The specialized ink used here contains classified magnetic particles and exclusive chemical color-shifting pigment compounds. Under immense mechanical pressure, the specialized ink is aggressively forced out of the metallic grooves. Colossal industrial presses apply 40 tons of pressure, permanently forcing the paper into the ink. This violent mechanical action creates an unmistakable rough physical texture that is impossible to successfully counterfeit. High-value denominations feature chemically advanced color-shifting inks containing thousands of microscopic, highly reflective metallic mirrors. The final production phase applies the critical serial numbers and the official Federal Reserve seals. Massive computerized optical scanners aggressively review every single sheet for microscopic misalignments or color variations. Despite the advanced technology, highly trained human inspectors conduct rigorous manual reviews under specialized lighting. Once fully approved, the large sheets are aggressively sliced apart by massive automated guillotine blades. The individual notes are rapidly banded together into tight packages and heavily wrapped in plastic. These massive sealed blocks represent millions of dollars, stacked high onto heavy wooden shipping pallets.
Heavily armored convoys transport the massive pallets directly into the subterranean vaults of the Federal Reserve.
Deep underground, the freshly printed money is stored in highly secure, climate-controlled federal holding environments. The economic power from these secured underground vaults, the cash is quietly distributed out to commercial banking institutions.
The transcription begins at 0s and finishes at 8s.
These incredibly engineered pieces of paper seamlessly integrate into the daily routines of millions of people.
While the complex industrial process remains hidden, the physical result actively drives the entire global economy.
But while money represents absolute economic power, another highly complex liquid represents invisible personal identity. Every luxury fragrance begins in the soil, demanding precise environmental conditions and incredibly careful timing.
Harvesting must occur at the exact moment the botanical essential oils reach their absolute maximum concentration.
Certain delicate flowers, like exotic jasmine, must be harvested strictly under the cover of utter darkness.
Once harvested, these fragile botanical ingredients begin losing their precious aromatic compounds almost immediately upon cutting. The raw flowers are rushed directly to specialized extraction facilities to violently force out their essence. Inside massive steel alembics, high-pressure vapor forcefully strips the aromatic molecules directly from the plant fibers. The condensed vapor separates naturally, allowing the pure essential oils to float cleanly on the surface. For incredibly delicate flowers that cannot survive intense heat, complex chemical solvents dissolve the fragrant compounds. This chemical process yields a thick, highly concentrated fragrant wax known in the industry as concrete. The waxy concrete is aggressively purified with specialized alcohol, leaving only the incredibly valuable absolute essence. These absolute essences represent thousands of flowers compressed into mere drops of unimaginably concentrated aromatic power.
The true artistry begins with the master perfumer, an expert capable of memorizing thousands of distinct scents.
The initial impact comes from volatile top notes, designed to strike immediately and evaporate very quickly.
The heart notes form the true soul of the perfume, maintaining their rich character for several hours. Heavy base notes act as crucial anchors, physically binding the lighter molecules to the wearer's skin.
A single formula can easily contain over 200 precisely measured ingredients, balanced to perfection.
The concentrated master blend is then carefully diluted with pure ethyl alcohol and distilled water.
The liquid is then pumped into darkened glass vats, where it will silently mature for several months. During this vital resting period, the aggressive individual chemical components slowly fuse into perfect aromatic harmony. To ensure absolute clarity, the matured perfume is rapidly chilled to near freezing temperatures. High-pressure microfilters strip out any remaining solid impurities, leaving the liquid completely flawless and perfectly stable. The bottles themselves are marvels of complex engineering, designed to perfectly reflect the character of the fragrance.
Rows of flawless, heavy glass bottles advance down the highly sterile, fully automated filling assembly lines. Automated stainless steel nozzles inject the exact required volume of liquid without spilling a single drop.
The intricate atomizer pumps are mechanically inserted and heavily crimped, sealing the precious liquid inside a permanent vacuum. A massive, weighty magnetic cap is placed on top, providing a satisfying and luxurious physical closure experience.
Before packaging, human workers wearing soft cotton gloves meticulously polish every single glass surface to absolute perfection. The heavy glass bottles are placed into rigid, beautifully textured presentation boxes designed to enhance the customer experience.
A flawless, tight cellophane wrap provides the final tamper-evident seal before the product leaves the manufacturing facility.
These boxed luxury items are carefully loaded onto specialized pallets for immediate global distribution to high-end retail boutiques. Secure international air freight ensures that the delicate chemical compositions are not compromised by long, fluctuating oceanic voyages. The pallets arrive at exclusive shopping districts, destined only for the most prestigious and heavily guarded retail environments. Inside the boutique, the inventory is strictly managed and stored in specialized climate-controlled stockrooms away from damaging light. Trained luxury consultants guide VIP clients through an elaborate, highly personalized olfactory journey of discovery and emotional connection. A single breath instantly triggers complex psychological responses, connecting the meticulously engineered chemical molecules directly to human memory. The transaction itself is handled with extreme discretion, utilizing the very currency we saw manufactured just moments earlier. Every purchased bottle is heavily wrapped in custom-branded tissue paper, elevating the physical unboxing experience into an event. The final product is placed into a thick, heavily structured luxury shopping bag, announcing the purchase to the entire street.
Carrying this highly recognizable bag instantly projects a specific social status to everyone walking down the crowded avenue.
Back in the privacy of their home, the East Asian customer finally breaks the seal on the meticulously crafted presentation box.
Lifting the heavy, rigid cardboard lid reveals the thick glass bottle resting perfectly inside its custom-cut velvet interior.
Removing the heavy magnetic cap requires a deliberate physical effort, reinforcing the extreme premium quality of the entire package. Depressing the precision-engineered atomizer instantly shatters the liquid into millions of microscopic, highly volatile fragrant droplets. As the fine mist makes contact with human skin, the complex chemical evaporation process immediately and aggressively begins. The fragrance immediately projects outward, creating a powerful, totally invisible atmospheric aura that commands attention and leaves a lasting memory. Long after the precious liquid is completely exhausted, the heavy glass bottle remains as a permanent, beautiful architectural artifact. And the relentless, massive industrial cycle of creation, refinement, distribution, and consumption immediately begins all over again. Because before you can engineer power or manufacture identity, you must always return to the raw, unforgiving earth.
So the next time you handle a simple piece of money, remember the immense industrial complexity hidden within it.
And when you smell a luxury fragrance, appreciate the thousands of harvested flowers and the years of masterful chemical engineering. While the consumers sleep, the massive industrial machines are powered down, cleaned, and meticulously prepared for the next endless cycle. Highly armed security personnel constantly patrol these silent facilities, protecting the immense wealth and secret formulas stored within.
As the sun rises again, the highly complex, meticulously engineered engine of global manufacturing aggressively roars back to life.